It's time to unleash the protection of dual cameras.
Dual cameras? What can they do?
We help you see more, wider, closer, clearer.
You can even see the faces 50 feet away.
It's amazing!
Sun's out! Sun's out!
The sun's where I get my power. Check out my adjustable solar panel. 2 hours of sun keeps it fully charged, even on rainy days. Install once and you can enjoy forever power. Forever.
It's so hard to keep an eye on everything.
Don't worry, 360 degrees panoramic view always keeps an eye out for you. We can track faces, cars, and even pets. You've got a visitor.
Mark? Bill? Even Charlie's here!
Wait, who are these? Wanna check that out?
Who's that?
Don't worry, light and siren warning is just one click away.
Thanks for chasing them away.
That's nothing. Don't forget SoloCam also comes with local storage and no monthly fee. Multi-dimensional protection is that easy.